Hello, here's what you need to do in order to make your Bluetooth device louder on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. First of all, we're gonna open the settings, scroll all the way down, and we're gonna go to About Phone. Then choose Software Information. Keep tapping on build number until you will see the screen lock password that you need to enter, or you will immediately see the information that the developer mode has been turned on. Once we have the developer options enabled, we need to go back to the settings, scroll down, and we will find developer options at the bottom, and then let's go here. Now we need to keep scrolling until we find a setting that is called Disable Absolute Volume, which will be somewhere next to the USB configuration. It is actually in networking section. So we can disable this option in order to make our Bluetooth devices louder. In addition to that, if that doesn't help you, you can simply unpair your Bluetooth device and then pair it again with your phone. And also you can reset network settings as well in order to fix that issue too. So to reset network settings, we can go back to the settings and choose General Management. Now over here, go to Reset, and here we want to choose Reset Bluetooth settings, and we can also reset mobile network settings as well. So if you go over here, simply confirm your choice, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!